That is the best yellow I've ever had in my life. The best yellow. Hi guys, and welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back with this gorgeous look. So we're going to be reviewing the Kimchi Chic Virgin Mojito palette. I'm excited. I finally got it, because I feel like I've been waiting forever. I said, give me the palette, give me it. So before I get into it, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there. So if you guys want this beautiful, look at this, girl, look at this. Good. If you want this look, stay tuned. We're gonna have a little mini girl chat now. I had a thought about some stuff. Just wanted to talk about, actually, oh, look at this great, Jesus, wow. Jesus, this is amazing. I guess I'm gonna talk about indie brands, since the title of the video is Kimchi Chic. I love indie brands. I do trust them a lot more than, of course, big corporation brands. I just prefer, really prefer having just a local or a person that literally is just, this is their business. Thank you for giving to them. They're trying out different things. I feel like they listen to the customers a little bit more, and they're just more adventurous with it. It's not fully always a marketing strategy. Now, I mean, it's money's marketing, you know what I'm saying? We ain't blind here. But I do like the point of, you know, so people can throw an idea or say, hey, I really would love this in it instead of that. And a lot of times I feel like they do listen to their customers a lot more, of course. And I actually like the homemade kind of packaging I got with Kimchi Chic Beauty. I thought it was very cute how I was sent things, and this palette is really cute. It's really nice, very adorable. But yeah, I love indie brands like Juvia's, Glamlight, of course, Kimchi Chic. I love indie brands. They really are coming with it. And I feel like cosmetic places or these big old companies, I'm like, you guys better come with it, because I mean, shoot. These indie brands are really whipping y'all butts. Like, and it's not even funny. Like, they really are coming with amazing styles, amazing ideas. And I love indie brands for that, because it's like, yes, keep doing that. Keep doing that. You're doing great, sweetie. You're doing great. They're the wave. You need to stay on that wave. Get with the win team, you know what I'm saying? Look at that, look. Y'all, oh, look at this. Like, indie brands are what's up. They're like, look, we're giving you what your kids want. I mean, a lot of them are professional, the ones I have dealt with. So that's just my mini girl chat. Just wanted to talk about indie brands a little bit. Back to the tutorial. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This palette, I got it on sale too. It was during the Labor Day sale. Usually this bad boy is $14 and I got it for, it was $7 and then I got it plus the tax and all that, it was 12 bucks. Still pretty good. Under that, you know, $15 mark, and it was 7 bucks. I should have bought more. There was another one. I should have just bought another one. This was so cute. I actually was waiting to try the Kimchi and the Naomi palette together, but I said, you know, and it was already sold out. I was like, well, I can't try it. So I said, you know, I'm gonna get the Virgin Mojito one because I really wanted those greens and yellow from that palette from their collab together. So I was like, I'm gonna grab the green and yellow one that she has. And as well, I got a cute little sticker. So I was excited about that. I don't know why, little gifts, extra things in there just makes me just so giddy, I don't know. Let's just get into the packaging. Literally, it has Kimchi on the front, and then it has a cute little heart in the back. So with this one, I guess it's the number 1. It says a 9 happily pressed shadows and pigments. Oh, happily, that's cute. So they say down here, I believe this was like cruelty free. So you open up, there is Miss Kimchi right there. And then we have the colors. Now these are cute. So this is a 9-pan palette, as it said on the back. You probably see my reaction on the tutorial. And I'm gonna tell you right now, right there, you already knew it was coming. You already knew it was coming. Limosilo. Hopefully I'm saying it right. That is the best yellow I've ever had in my life. The best yellow. I'm angry because, you know, I'm excited actually because, like, look at this yellow. Shut up. Look at this yellow. Look, you know what? I'm really excited because I was like, okay, because I seen the yellow, but I was like, I really want to try them greens, but let me see the yellow. I was like, we gonna see. Okay. I'm a fan. I want to try more of her yellows because like look at that. Girl, get into it. Oh, this is so pretty. So that one was my favorite one, but oh, this one, I'm just gonna swatch them all. Let me just get to it. We just swatching them all today. I'm gonna take up the Limosilo, the kiwi, and the sour apples. The yellow. Sour apple's kind of lighter. I did use the sour apple right here, just near the brows, as you can see. See, it's like a little lighter green. And then at the end, that's the kiwi. Look at the kiwi. She got gold sparkles in her. She's so cute. Those are my favorite. Even though I have to admit, was it Sour Pop? Yeah, Sour Pop. This one, that green, magnificent. The way I was able to halo my eye, effortless. It was beautiful. I had to put a Morphe base over my whole eye. I don't really like doing that when I first try a palette. I don't mind cutting the crease, but like all over my eye to get the color to show. So I didn't care for that, but this color is still pretty, the Teal Dream. As y'all know, we stand pastels in this household. So I was like, I'm definitely trying a pastel in this palette. We're trying that regardless. So I did use that as my background. And I think it is pretty. It's like a wash of teal in the back. It's really pretty. I wish I could say it was my favorite. I wish it was pigmented like that yellow one without that Morphe base. Because that one with my finger alone was just popping. But Kiwi's cute. I wish Kiwi was a little bit more pigmented, a little bit. But I kind of wanted it to be like the Sour Pop, but with that gold, the shimmer. But I know it's a shimmer, so that's a different story. I pretty much used every color besides Lime Fizz and Mint Chip. It's a 9-pan palette. I didn't use 2. I used 7 colors as a whole. That is a lot. That is a lot. Even though I knew this look is going to be a lot. I even used the yellow, all the shimmer at the bottom. The Yellow Diamond and the Pear Bear, those shimmers, beautiful. I actually like the Yellow Diamond. That one is bomb. That one's so pretty. It has those silver, very shimmery flakes in there. It's just so pretty, so pretty. I think this palette is adorable. I want Kimchi to keep making these. I want different variations of stuff because the next one I want to try is that color. It's like it's red, purple, pink. I want to try that colorful one, and I want to try the chocolate one. I thought I was gonna get the chocolate one first, but I was like, well, I want to try a pop of color, but I didn't want to try the purple and red yet. But I said I would try her greens and yellows. I said, let me try that yellow really want to try the green, but really that yellow, after I did buy it, I said, oh, that yellow, let's just try it out. We gotta try it out. So I'm really excited for this. I can't wait. I'm gonna try her collab with Naomi now. Now that I see her yellows is popping, yeah, we're gonna have to get that other palette. Girl, oh, this is popping. Ooh, I can see me doing a whole yellow eye. Ooh, I'm about to do that. She has like a lemon, a cookie, kiwi. She has it outlined on there. See, it's like a kiwi rim, the lemon on top. This one, I guess it is a cloud. Oh, teal dream cloud. And then she has a lime fizz, a sour pop. It's like a little sour, it's like a little lollipop. Pear bear and sour apples, like a bear and an apple. The cute little details, cute little details. I'm on it, girl. I'm with you. I get it. That is the best yellow I've ever gotten is from this palette in my palettes of palettes. That yellow does have fallout, but it's not as bad, and the color is more pigmented, and it's more of like neon lemon, neon yellow. I mean, it's like a traditional true yellow. Kimchi and them, they got that yellow down together. Look at that. They got that yellow. They was like, girl, give me that yellow. We got you. This look make me look mean as hell. I'm into it. So good. Like, look at that. This was cute. Definitely introduced me to the brand finally. And I did say I was gonna try these on my Will I Try It or Buy It Tonight. Go check out those while you're there. Girl, I just kept looking at my eyes, kept taking pictures like I just couldn't help it. It's just so cute. I feel like if you're looking for a bomb yellow, you better get Virgin Mojito. This one is biggity bomb. I keep looking at myself in all my mirrors. I'm like, who's that girl? Who's that girl? Oh, I am sprung. That is my review and tutorial over the KIMCHI CHIC Virgin Mojito little palette. So there will be more in the future, possibly with these palettes or any other palettes that she comes out with, because her stuff is bomb apparently, and it's not too expensive and quite affordable. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Tell me which one's your favorite shade. Have you bought the other ones from her other 9-pan palettes or her big one? How's the Naomi one with her? I want to know. And don't forget to hit the notification button too while you are down there. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one.